Hello. My name is Sarah. Our group member consists of 3 persons, which is me, Pang and Neelam. We will present our business statistics capstone project, entitled, Predictive is Better Than Cure.
Let's start with Chapter 1. Introduction to our project.
Prevention is better than cure, is a proverb, which reveals that it's easier to stop something happening, in the first place, than to repair the damage after it has happened. It may saves us from inflicting any loss of relationship due to death, and saves us from economic loss. For this project we have decided to focus on 3 different areas that related to our theme. First is oil and gas industry, which will focus on oil pipeline condition, crude tower overhead. As of December 2017, there are 39 cases which involve almost $6 million loss to oil and gas industry. This occurred due to refinery department taking time to check the condition of the pipeline, by calculating the reading of element in sour water where the pipe is located that caused the pipe corroded. This topic will be discussed under Chapter 3 later on. The objectives are, to formulate the indicator and action to be taken as preset condition and to design and develop visualization for monitoring the oil pipeline condition. Second is accidental rate in Malaysia for Chapter 4, with more and more vehicles in the road over the years. Road accidents is also increasing at the same time and caused precious lives losses and monetary losses. There should be additional steps and analysis to be executed to reduce and prevent the fatal accidents. Hence the objectives of this study is aimed to find the relation and correlation from different factors of road accidents through statistical analysis. And topic for Chapter 5 is dengue issues in Malaysia perspective. Dengue vector control is the only effective way in controlling the outbreak. The increasing number of dengue cases reported in Malaysia is very threatening. Since actions taken once the case is reported, the chances of the outbreak to spread is high and the control action cannot be performed effectively. The idea of this project is to have a preventive action before some cases occurs. The objectives are, to implement data mining technique onto dengue and weather data parameter, and to provide analysis and prediction as guidelines for dengue outbreak. Spatiotemporal predictions are used in this study. The spatiotemporal scale used in this work was selected based on the distribution of the dengue data from 2010 to 2015. The chosen temporal scale was 1 month and the chosen spatial distribution was 1 state, Perak.
Moving on to Chapter 2, about our dataset.
For descriptive analytics, we are using cause of crude tower overhead pipe corrosion dataset, iron, chloride and pH. Data is captured daily, managed by refinery department, dataset for 2010. Meanwhile, data preparation required joining between 3 datasets using data's unique key. Data grouping to create indicator, and date formatting.
For statistical inference, the dataset is obtained from the annual report published by Ministry of Transport, as per the link shown in the slides. This annual report is aimed to provide comprehensive, readily available and up-to-date statistics on all modes of transport in Malaysia. In our study we only focus on land road transportation. For dataset preparation, the file in PDF format was first converted into a Word document using online conversion tool. After that all the relevant information were copied into Excel manually. Next, remove of unnecessary, duplicate rows and columns, and additional columns/rows have been added to perform aggregation. Subtotal and average columns have also been added to show the data in either vehicle type, year dimension. Lastly, we combined 2 of the table which is the subject of the study, number of casualty per year and also number of accidents for different vehicle type in each year.
For predictive analytics, we are using dataset of dengue cases which available at data.gov.my which provided by Mampu. Weather parameter dataset for Perak State is collected directly from Malaysian Meteorological Department. All the dengue cases for Perak State were provided in monthly interval. Thus, the other weather parameters are converted to monthly interval. The missing values for the weather temperature are pre-processed using imputation. In imputation, it substitutes missing values by computed from it average value.